Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, can you cancel Acorns at any time? I know that a lot of people are interested in Acorns, but they're not sure if it's the right investment app for them. So, I'm going to provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. What is Acorns? Before we get into the question of whether or not you can cancel Acorns at any time, let's first talk about what Acorns is. Acorns is an investing app that makes it easy for people to save and invest their money. It uses a technique called roundups, which means that it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. Acorns also offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from, depending on your risk tolerance. You can choose from a conservative portfolio, a moderate portfolio, or an aggressive portfolio. How does Acorns work? Now that we know what Acorns is, let's talk about how it works. The first step is to create an Acorns account. You can do this by downloading the app or going to the Acorns website. Once you have created an account, you need to link your bank account to Acorns. This will allow Acorns to automatically round up your purchases and invest the difference. You can also choose the type of investment portfolio that you want. Once you have set up your account, you can start investing. Can you cancel Acorns at any time? Now, let's get to the question that you're all here for. Can you cancel Acorns at any time? The answer is yes, you can cancel Acorns at any time. There is no cancellation fee. To cancel your Acorns account, you can simply go to the app or website and cancel your subscription. Pros and cons of Acorns. Now that we know that you can cancel Acorns at any time, let's talk about the pros and cons of using the app. Pros. Easy to use. Affordable. Good for beginners. Offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from. Can be a good way to save money automatically. Cons. Fees can add up over time. Not the best choice for experienced investors. Limited investment options. Acorns is a good option for people who are looking for an easy and affordable way to start investing. However, it may not be the best choice for experienced investors or people who are looking for a wider range of investment options. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Acorns is up to you. If you're considering using Acorns, I recommend that you weigh the pros and cons carefully and make sure that it's the right investment app for you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped you answer the question, can you cancel Acorns at any time? If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. See you next time.